to a morning edition of Smokin' Steve's Hot Grill. This morning we are in the kitchen. I'm going to show you the perfect way how to make an over easy egg sandwich. So let's get started. First, you need 2 eggs. Once you get in the eggs, they should still be sunny side up. And then what you want to do is turn on to medium high heat until the whites are completely white. I always put crushed ground pepper in my eggs. Just a couple turns goes a long way. Now when doing eggs, there is a secret touch into how to get them to not stick in your pan besides a non-stick pan to get them to where it's easy to flip. And I will show you that step here in just a second. Okay, so only about 2 minutes have had elapsed time to where you see the eggs are fully white on the bottom and the yolks are still present. So the trick that I have is to take a small glass of water and a lid and just pour on the outside of the egg. And then what that does, it gets underneath and it steams the egg. So that way when you use your spatula to flip, or even if you just want it the sunny side up as it is right now, it's really easy to put your cheese on, put it on the plate. But for this sake, as you see, all the sides are bubbling up, so it's really easy to get underneath and to flip the egg. And then if you wanted to, put it back on so it steams a little bit more, because you still have the condensation, the moisture in the pan to keep steaming the egg a little bit. Now about this stage, you don't want to keep it on your medium high anymore. You want to turn it back down to almost low. The egg is still going to cook even if it's not turned all the way on. Okay, so only about 1 minute has time lapsed since we flipped over the eggs. Now we're going to flip them back and then add the cheese. And that's what your egg should look like over easy. So now to get the egg and cheese sandwich, you can also at the same time put a little bit more water in. And this will melt your cheese in there, and we'll see you back in about 30 seconds. Okay, so only about 30 seconds has went by. You see the cheese has melted over the eggs. And I had my toast already done. Just put that right over. And there you have a cheese and egg sandwich. Hey, just want to thank you one more time and actually all the times. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. This is so much fun doing these videos. Never knew how exciting it really could be. You know, I like what I'm doing. I love what I'm doing. And I like doing it for you guys. So please keep watching. Keep giving the thumbs up. Keep giving the comments. I enjoy it. So once again, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.